Did you ever thought how hard it is to keep track of the pills to be taken at the right time? And especially for old people, it is a very challenging experience. So, to lessen all these hassles, we present you Botica Bot.
See it. Here is the demo configuration of our solar electrical power tiller. Here we use two DC motor. One is for moving the body and use a solar cell for charging our motor. Work as for moving wheel, and this motor is for plug.
The rover's robotic arm has 4 degrees of freedom movement. The controlling of the arm is done using this remote. Now, as you can see, the arm is moving according to the command from the remote. Now, this button stands for forward, while this goes backward.
হ্যালো মাইরা, চলো আমরা খেলি। বলো বাবু এক, বলো আয়রা ওয়া, বলো আয়রা ক।
Buckle up, because today we will show how the concept of swarm robotics, the latest edition of robotics research field, can be successfully used for mapping, locating, and rescuing.
Project Greenberry focuses on collecting the environmental waste, separating them according to predefined categories, and processing those based on their types. In short, our key features are collecting, separating, and processing the waste.
Thank all the participants who had came for this prelims competition, and all the presentations were really nice. All the participants had taken great effort in doing that. Even in this pandemic situation, they had taken time.
Thank you every participants as well as the contestant who have shown their projects. All the projects are very encouraging, very realistic, and the ideas were amazing. And truly, these ideas, if they are implemented in present days, it will definitely help our humanity in several ways.
The 12 projects, really, those are very fantabulous, splendid, and really they have figured out lots of social issues through their projects, and also they have given very good solution for that. I myself become so motivated seeing the projects and thoughts of these young students.
The imagination is more important than creativity, yeah. So better to imagine and plan your project according to that. If I am having a rough draft idea, yeah, so in that rough draft idea you can get more insights, more features by research and using a surveying, right?
Participants through RUET are doing really great. Thank you so much for all your efforts in making the prelims a successful one for all these years. Team RUET, thank you so much. All the professors, department heads, and the management, student branch teams, student branch volunteers, student branch advisors.
WISETest acts as a platform to bridge the gap between the engineers and their goals and aspirations through stimulating inherent potential while also contributing to society with innovation solutions. Once again, I would like to thank all the project team members, judges, advisors, counselors, ESCOM member of IEEE RUET student class, IEEE RUET. Our participants got ideas from the different projects, and in near future they will integrate this idea to research and develop their knowledge.
Let me thank our judges. You know that it is always hard to pick up teams for an award from many creative competitors and participants. So our judges today has made these impossible things possible. And now let me announce the winning teams. The team secured 4th position, Keki Blinders, and this team is from Buet, Bangladesh University of Engineering Technology. The Mandalorian is from Ahsanullah University of Science and Technology. The first runner-up combinedly secured by Ruet Amplifiers and Master Mosai from Khulna University of Engineering and Technology. And the most exciting champion team is One Man Army from Russia University of Engineering and Technology. So these are the winning teams. I congratulate all the teams